Hello friends, welcome to Artistic Therapy Zone. Today we are going to make this tricolor earrings and ring from air dry clay. Hope you will enjoy the tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. These are the material that we require. Mouldit. It's our air dry clay. Then we need acrylic colors, orange, green and white, and plyer. We require hoops, jumprings, and I have taken 2 caps, one from the nail polish remover and others from the lipstick. So you need to find out in and around house what all you can use. Let's mix resin and hardener from mouldit in equal proportions. Apply some talcum powder and start mixing till the 2 colors are visible. We should mix it till there is a single color. We should have the colors merged properly of resin and hardener. Now let's make small balls and press them. See to it that both the balls are equal. We don't want one to be bigger and other to be smaller. Okay. Now let's take our ruler pin and make it in circular chapati form. We don't need too big. Just the shape of a earring. Keep applying talcum powder if it sticks. Now cut it with the help of the cap. This is our hack. If we don't have the cutters, we can use our caps. So you need to be little creative to find out what all things you can use to cut this. I'm sure you'll be able to find it. Now the lipstick cap is for cutting from inside the circle. Now just give them little finishing with the help of powder, because when we cut the edges they become little uneven. So just we need to give it a little bit of finishing. Gently you have to do because the clay is very soft and it might lose its shape. So do all this thing very patiently and enjoy the process. Now we need to make holes in the smaller circle, one at top and other at bottom, and in the bigger circle one at top. And we have to make it a little big, so poke your needle a little extra, otherwise our jumprings will not enter. Now the remaining clay I am using to make our ring. So we should make use of our clay and not waste even a single bit. Let the clay dry. Once the clay is dried, then apply a base coat of white acrylic color. This will help us to get a nice finishing for our colors of green and orange. Now take a small bit of orange and green and apply random shapes on all the figures. And if you want to apply any proper shape, that is also possible. You can make polka dots, you can make squares, you can make triangles as per your wish. I have made random. It's like abstract art. Can you see how beautiful they are turning? Our tricolor. We need to again clear the blocks which has arrived due to the acrylic color. So we need to unblock it. If we don't unblock, once they dry, it is difficult to get the holes, and we require proper holes for inserting our jump rings. Now I have taken this ring base. The glue is not coming, that's a very common problem. So I have inserted the needle to get it unblocked. Now place the circular design on top of the base and keep it in a standing position as I have shown, otherwise it will not stick properly. Now insert the jump rings to attach both the parts, and we have to be little careful while doing this because it is little tricky. So just be patient and we will be able to do it. Okay, done. Now we have to insert the hoop with the help of jump ring in the top part, and we need to be little careful to do this locking. Like this, we have to fix on both the earrings. Ta-da! Our tricolor earrings and ring are ready to be flaunted on Republic Day. Pair it up with your ethnic or western wear. It will look awesome. And you can even gift it to your loved ones. They will be delighted to receive a handmade gift. If you recreate this, please don't forget to tag us on Instagram. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone. Waiting for your recreations. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone. Make one and flaunt it. It really gives a feeling of patriotism. It adds to the beauty of our Republic Day. At you all. Bye bye.